Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Health not tracking workout map and location on Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and your Samsung Health app is not tracking workout map or locations, let's see how can you fix that issue. Just scroll up and open your Samsung Health app, and here just tap on three dots here. Then you go for settings, then scroll down and you will get auto detect workouts. Tap on it, and here you will get the map workout locations. You must have to enable that setting, then select using the app. Once you have enabled, now you have successfully fixed your issue. So that's how you can easily fix Samsung Health not tracking workout or maps and location on your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.